In virus filtration, safety and efficiency are everything. And with the VANTIJ Virus Filtration Controller, you get both, fully automated. Now available with an upgrade to automated leakage testing, or ALT, which allows the system to perform integrity testing from start to finish, hands-free. Filter IDs are scanned directly into the batch record, and the ALT function ensures filter integrity automatically documented. Filtration and buffer chase are streamlined in one unit, reducing handling and risk, all in a space-saving design, perfect for clinical and commercial manufacturing areas. With intelligent control modes and high-spec construction, VANTIJ VFC does more than automate filtration. It empowers confidence. Viral clearance elevated by VANTIJ VFC. VANTIJ, filtration assured.